Everyone talks trash about the Glock 26. The grip's too short. The capacity sucks. But watch this, because I'm about to fix both problems in literally 2 seconds. The moment you snap an Xgrip onto a full-size Glock mag, the gun changes personality. Your pinky finally has a home. Your control jumps way up, and your round count goes through the roof. It's basically a cheat code for the 26/27. No tools, no gunsmithing. Just slide it on and the gun feels like a completely different machine. I'm dropping the top 3 features in the comments so you can see exactly why this upgrade is a no-brainer. Comment link, and I'll send you the direct link and a discount code.